You got to have time embedded so that teachers can collaborate. You got to be collaborating around the right questions, which are essentials. Mike, and if you and I teach together and we're teaching the specific content area, we're going to discuss what is it we want every kid to walk out knowing. That's not all we're going to teach, but this is the stuff we have to guarantee. Teams have to get clear on that. They got to be supported in making that stuff happen. How we teach it, you got your style, I got my style. We just have to agree on what the outcome is, the essential outcomes, and we got to agree on what mastery looks like when a student masters it. And then we bounce off each other as needed. If we got this one standard and both our classes are killing it, then we keep moving. But if my kids are struggling in one area and I see your kids are crushing it based on the data, I want to know what you're doing. Like, what can you help me with? Share something with me. Let me see you deliver it. So that's the second commitment, that commitment to the collaborative culture. The third commitment is what we just talked about. You got to identify what's essential. Clearly define what every student needs to learn. You've got to identify what's essential, and then you got to be consumed with mastery of essentials.